Okay, it's hiring time, so it's time to see how those applicants really will fit in the position that you're hiring for, and with your team, and even with their supervisor. So you're going to need them to take some assessments. In order to give some assessments, log into your Hiring Suite application and go to the main menu and click on Score Applicant. We recommend that you give new hires 3 different assessments. The Personality Plus to measure their personality traits, their Ensure Survey to measure their reliability and propensity for drug use, and the Johnston Index to measure some basic skills. You'll notice here that it costs 10 units to give a personality test, 3 units to give the Ensure Survey, and 1 unit to give the Johnston Index. Over here are some other options that come with the Personality Plus that ask some general questions related to where they came from in their previous position, and some basic interview questions. You can decide whether or not you want to add these or not. Next thing you'll do is you'll come down here and you'll enter in the person's name. It gives you lots of different information here below, but only the start information is required. You can enter in their age, their race, their gender, initials, whatever other information in order to track this person that you need. Once their information has been entered, you'll need to decide how you're going to administer the test. There are 3 different scoring options. The first is paper and pencil. This will actually allow you to print off a copy of the test and allow them to take it manually. But then you will have to enter in all of the scores one by one into the system. We do not recommend that you do this. It is prone to error and just is a lot of work. We recommend doing one of the other 2 methods. You can do computer administered or remote scoring. In computer administered, the applicant will take the test right then and there. If you click on this button, it will take you to a welcome screen where you can start giving the assessment right then and there. If you have a computer available, this is not a bad way of doing it while the person's in the office. This ensures that the person takes the test quickly and gets it done. If the person does not have the time to take the test, you can go to one of the other options. We'll log back into the system. We've got Score Applicant. Select our 3 tests. Enter the person's name, and we'll select Remote Scoring. Remote Scoring sets up a remote scoring code. You enter the applicant's email address here and it sends them this code. The code is then entered on the main website that will take them to the test. This means that the applicant can take the test anywhere at any time, as long as they have a good internet connection. Speed is not important, but reliability is important on the internet connection, because if you lose the internet connection mid-test, there's a possibility that you will lose the test results. The applicant will take the test, and then you will be able to score the test at a later time. Once the applicants have taken the test, to see that they have taken the test, simply go to Review Applicants, and there will be a box that's not shown here, but that says Unscored Only. Check that box and click Search. Their names will now appear of the tests that have not been scored. In order to score that test, just click on Review and the results will appear. Once you click on Review, your units will be utilized here above. Test results are available immediately after the test has been taken. There is no waiting.